Hey everybody, we're going to look today at the 5 series within the EC collection, and as you can see, a very attractive, aesthetically winner of a chair. We're going to turn it around for you, and you can see the back, the side view, the 3/4 view. One thing to remember as you look at this chair, the first thing that catches your attention is its outward looks, but there's a lot of inward movement and activity of this chair to support you in your work and offer a tremendous amount of comfort. So we'll just turn it right around, and you can have a look at that all the way around. So you're going to notice right away there is a built-in headrest for comfort, for support for your neck. And again, all this design does not take away from the ergonomic support of this chair. Standard to our EC5 series are polished aluminum arms. You can get an arm topper either with polyurethane, which this is, very durable, but also has some give to it for comfort. You can have that in leather, and you can also have it in any of the vinyls, including our healthcare vinyl. We're going to get in the chair now and show you the mech, the movements of the chair. The 5 series comes with a synchronous tilt swivel. The swivel, of course, is the side-to-side motion of the chair. The synchronous tilt refers to the fact that as I lean back in the chair, as my back is going back, the back part of my seat is dropping. You can see that movement right in here. I'll just do that a few times. You'll see that synchronous tilt movement. What you'll also see, what that allows for is my feet are able to stay flat on the floor. I can lean right back in this chair. It reclines quite far, and it just allows for a more natural flow and positioning of my body as I sit, even in a further reclined position. The 5 series comes with a multi-position tilt lock with a slow release, and that's on the left-hand side of your 5 series chair. It's this little round dial or knob here, and you simply turn it forward or backward. When it's turned forward, it's going to be in what we call a free-floating position. So now I can just simply recline back to whatever position I want. If I want to retain the chair in that position, I move the dial backwards. It locks it in that position. I can come and go in this chair, and it will stay at that angle. When I want to release it, a beautiful thing about this chair, it has a positive back release. So I'm going to release it right now. You heard a little click there, it's released. But you notice it didn't pop up or throw me up and out of the chair. That's because I need to lean back, and I'm going to hear a very slight click. There it is there. Now you can watch as it gently follows me, but more importantly supports my back as I sit upright or even as I go to exit out of the 5 series chair. On your right-hand side, you will have your tension control, and again, that relates to whether you have a very firm resistance as you lean back or whether it's very loose. So if you turn it to the right, which is clockwise, you're going to find it becomes very firm. You really have to put a bit of effort into that. It gives you some really strong resistance if that's what you prefer in your chair. With just even a half turn or even a full turn towards the other way, now it becomes very much of a free flow, almost like a rocking chair experience in this chair. Very little resistance. The flat lever on the back of that knob is your gas lift. And so you lift the lever up and raise your weight out of the chair will rise for you. And if you just stay seated and lift that up, it's going to drop down to your desired height. The base and casters on your 5 series are standard with a polished aluminum base, and you'll also notice this chair has 3-inch carpet casters standard as well. All upholstery is available for your 5 series. You can have leather, as you see on this chair in our video. You can also have any of the hundreds of fabrics and textiles offered by Nightingale, as well as any of the vinyls, including healthcare graded vinyls. And that is the EC Collection 5 series.